Welcome to Quick Tips. Today we're going to learn how to transpose data within Google Sheets. Now, transposing data is simply converting columns into rows or rows into columns. Now, here we have a series of data. We have salespeople and months for which they made sales. Let's say our new sales manager, however, wants to take this data and convert it from rows, like it is now, into columns. It's very simple in Google Sheets. I'm going to select my data. I'm going to copy it using Control-C or Command-C if I'm on a Mac. Go to Columns. In the cell that I want to be first, I'm going to right-click, choose Paste Special. In the very bottom from that flyout menu, choose Paste Transposed. Now, my rows are in columns. I can also go from columns to rows. I'm going to copy this, come over to a new cell, repeat the process. Right-click, Paste Special, Paste Transposed. You can see it automatically will paste and convert. This is very handy, especially if you have potentially hundreds of columns or rows, depending upon your situation, that you might have to deal with.
If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have questions that you want to know how to do that, remember to ask them down in the comments section.